3 days in the jungle. I've gone mad.
Pretty colossal.
The new day. The sun is shining. It is bound to be a beautiful day out.
Off on the coastal path I go. Oh, look what I found. Little strawberries. Are they? They look weirdly poisonous. Okay, I don't trust that. Oh, that's some steep steps.
I've been wanting to walk the south coast path since I moved down south, but I either didn't have the time or the PM told me to stay home to save the NHS.
True.
So I decided to dip my toe in the water first and try a day hike. Of course, it's nothing like a through hike since I carried nothing on me, not even water, but it gave me a rough idea what to expect from the path. The Southwest Coastal Path is England's longest waymarked long-distance footpath and a national trail. It stretches for 630 miles or 1,400 kilometers, running from Minehead in Somerset along the coasts of Devon and Cornwall to Poole Harbour in Dorset.
6.5 miles. River crossing.
If walking the whole trail, you'll climb and descend over 35,000 meters, or the equivalent of almost 4 Mount Everests. I set off from Lyme, Regis, aiming to go to Seaton, which was only 7.25 miles away, making a round trip of only 14-15 miles. I was soon to learn that there was no chance for me to go all the way, and that was okay with me. I was out to have an enjoyable day out. It was a perfect day for it as well. Not a cloud in the sky, but too hot for me to be out in the sun for too long, so I was thankful for the forest providing me with a more tolerable temperature for a hike.
Wow, how did that happen? Some point at the start of my walk, I saw on the map a point of interest called Chimney Rock, and I decided to explore. After climbing some more staircases, I finally found it. There we are. We found Chimney Rock. Sure drop. Risk of falling. Don't fall. Look at pretty rock. Sea town all the way over there. Sea town somewhere down there. Got nettled for the views. And we go back to the path.
The path is well signposted, even though I managed to get lost in the loop when I strayed off to explore the area around Chimney Rock. It is narrow with a good amount of staircases, lots of climbing, and even on the hot summer's day when I was there, it was surprisingly muddy.
That was a good splotch. So, just got lost and walked in a circle. Apparently there was a path in the jungle around the rock. The path rock here is very, very muddy. So you have to be extra careful. It's a beautiful jungle path hidden away from the sun. I don't think I'll get to Seaton, considering it said that it's 3.5 to 4 hour walk. I'll just have to turn in an hour and go explore Fossil Beach at low tide. This is absolutely beautiful for a midday explorer. I didn't bring any essentials, no water, no snack, because I decided I'm just on a wee walk.
It was a joy to practice Shinrin-yoku, or forest bathing, absorbing the forest atmosphere. So peaceful, slowing down and connecting with nature. I immediately felt rejuvenated. I met only a few people, all happy with big smiles on their faces.
Muddy. I see a tiny stream. I want to drink out of it. been 1 hour and I have no headwater. Probably not there yet. Welcome to the jungle. We got fun and games with the alligators. In the jungle. Welcome to the jungle. Really thankful that I'm going through a jungly forest. I really want to swim. We'll see if I do a little run on the way back. It's really nice around here. Oh wow! Encountered a bit of a break in the path. A fallen tree. Seems like it's still the path. Is it? Seems like people have gone over around it. Okay. That was unexpected. Massive fallen tree. Ow. Thorns. Beautiful. And we're through. Back on the path again. Hello again. Sorry for disturbing you. We're in buildings. This building was once a freshwater pumping station and an engineer's house. I really want some water. Some fresh water, please. 3 days in the jungle and I find some water and can't drink it. It's okay, I can turn around now. And 2 hours later I'll have water. I've gone mad in 3 hours. 2, 3, 3, 2. Found some fresh strawberries. This time there are strawberries. They smell delicious, taste delicious. Well, it was just a couple of small ones, but the trail provides. Very slippery and muddy.
Since I had set myself a turning point time, it was now time to go back.
2.5 miles back. How did I miss those? On the way here. You do notice different things when going different ways. On my way back now. Really need water. Feels like I'm not gonna get there, but I found some elderflower to add for a refreshing drink. Trying to do some running, so I get there faster, but no overheat at the same time, because even though I'm in the forest, it's very hot today. Really pleasant walk though. I get lost in time. I see again.
I tried to do more of a jog on the way back, but even without my fitness level being less than ideal, I had to stop a lot as I would overheat.
Hello.
The thought of getting back to water, both drinking and to swim in, pushed me forward. I ended up walking for over 18 kilometers, which took me over 7 hours.
Down the stairs I go again. And the bowling tournament is in full swing.
When I arrived back in Lyme, Regis, we made our way to the Lyme Regis fossil beach, also known as ammonite pavement.
It's nice and easy, isn't it? Just walk around like, look, giant fossil.
Oh, what is this?
Oh,
A snake. Snake.
there's too many.
They're everywhere.
Okay, this is a fossil paradise.
Oh, look at that one! Oh, millions and millions.
It's an ammonite town.
It was jaw-dropping, awe-inspiring. You can definitely spend a lot more time there.
Wow, they're everywhere!
Yeah. What happened here? There's another one in the back of this map.
It is a spectacular graveyard of fossils. Here, the remains of thousands of ammonites, which is an extinct group of marine mollusks, are embedded in the limestone ledge.
So more likely to just find them on the floor.
Yeah.
The rocks record a time of 199 million years ago, when marine ecosystems were returning to normal after the late Triassic period mass extinction. The main species is the dinner plate-sized ammonite, Coroniceras, which are up to 70 centimeters in diameter.
Your hand for scale. That's pretty colossal.
Wow,
Damn, so that's how big they get.
that's pretty big. Wow.
This one's full of jewels.
Most of the ammonites have a well-preserved outer coil and a crushed middle. According to the Natural History Museum, the fossil age is the only one of its kind in the world.
And another one here. I found little ones.
The ledge is exposed at low tide and extends from the base of the cliffs. Many of the surrounding boulders contain large fossil ammonites.
There's a volcano rock. Lots of fossils that somebody took from there. And I've got some rocks. That's a cool one. Got like different colors to it.
Yeah. It's cool.
What is this thing? Don't touch it. Oh, some big ones here.
I do like that one. I found a little crab. Little crab. Oh, so cutie. Oh, whoop. Where you going? Where you going? Where you going?
And just like that, in the blink of an eye, my relaxing day was over. We had to cut the holiday short to get back to Bournemouth tonight. Meaning that what we cycled in the last 3 days, we had to do tonight. We had two scenarios: to manically cycle back over 40 kilometers to Dorchester to get the last train back on the busiest road, or cycle the whole way through the night. Either way started off with manic cycling on the busy road with some relatively steep hills, some of which I was already dreading after a full day of hiking. If we made it to the train on time, we can relax and enjoy the company of the drunks on the last train home. If not, a joyful ride through the night awaits. Guess which one I was rooting for?
Oh, what is this now? I guess we're going here. Will we going here anyway? No? Okay.
To top it all off, my brakes were dangerously disappearing on the fast descents, and I had no time to faff and fix them. After a few sketchy situations when I was certain it was the end of me, with the light disappearing fast, and very much to my surprise, we made it on time for the train.
Did we make it?
Despite my disappointment that we deprived ourselves from a fun night ride, I could now appreciate that I survived the ride, we actually made it on time, and I was now looking forward to a cold shower at some point after midnight. What a way to end the relaxing day of hiking more than 18 kilometers up and down staircases in the jungle. What a fitting way to end a holiday that wasn't meant to
Did we
be.
make it?
Did it?
Oh, thank you.
So sorry.